Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first open the settings, then tap to always on display and lock screen section, tap to always on display. Here we could turn on or turn off this option by use the switcher to change the display items from always to 40 seconds after tapping, to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to turn it on or turn it off when the battery saver mode is on. Go back. Here we could use our custom theme to set the shadow, the image on photo, for example, to switch the text color, to change the clock position, and to activate and turn off the battery and notifications. Or also you could use the signature theme analog clock, the kaleidoscope clock, digital clocks, to select the one from the with the backgrounds, default backgrounds theme. Let's for example use this one on base clocks. So here we could also change the color. Let's tap to apply. Also, if you want to activate or turn off the battery status and to show the notifications from any apps. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our POCO F5 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.